Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in our chapter we will be covering soon as an adverb. So first of all we need to understand in which situation, in which case soon is used as an adverb. Soon is used in the sense of immediately, quickly, for a short time to express a future action. Let's see some of the example of soon so that we will have clear concept in terms of writing along with speaking purpose. The first example which we have is those people have traveled to Mumbai and they will return to their native place soon. Next example is we have an invitation. We will reach to ceremony soon. This is our next example. Let's jump to third example which we have. My nephew has some homeworks which he will complete soon. Where therein I will be helping him. Let's jump to third example. Next example is Ram's mile is discharged, which he will charge soon. Next example is I have an order of pizza which they will not deliver soon. Let's see second use of soon. It can be present or past. Second use of soon is as soon as. It is used in the sense of no later than that as an adverb. Let's see some of the example of as soon as so that we will have clear concept in terms of writing along with speaking purpose. So first example which we have is she asked me as soon as I helped her. Next example is they got together as soon as they decided not to play cricket with us. Third example is they stepped out from their home as soon as they had to play cricket with their friends. We can say in हिंदी जैसे वे लोग घर से बाहर निकले वैसे ही उन लोगों को दोस्तों के साथ क्रिकेट खेलना पड़ा. Let's see third use of soon. It is sooner or later. It is used in the sense of at something in the future, even if we are not sure exactly when. We can say in Hindi आज नहीं तो कल as an adverb. Let's see some of examples so that we can understand deeply. The first example which we have is I am hungry. Sooner or later I will have to eat something. Next example is they are in sunlight. Sooner or later they will have to face circumstances because they have been in sunlight and it may be affecting their skin. Thanks guys watching for my video. If you like this video please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks.